If you notice streaks, smudges, or maybe even complete ineffectiveness when using a rear wiper, it's time to replace the wiper blade. Whether it's worn out from years of use, damaged by harsh weather conditions, or simply not making proper contact with the rear window, a malfunctioning rear wiper blade can be frustrating and compromise your visibility on the road, especially during rainy or snowy weather. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear window wiper blade on a Kia Sportage. It's a straightforward process that you can easily do it yourself, saving you time and money. First, lift the wiper arm away from the window to access the wiper blade. Tilt the wiper blade until it becomes perpendicular with the wiper arm. Now pull out the wiper blade assembly. It's as simple as that. There are no locking clips in place. Just lift, tilt, and pull. With the old blade removed, grab a new wiper blade. Make sure you have the correct size for your Sportage. I'm reinserting my old wiper blade for the purpose of this video as it's in good condition. Now align the new wiper blade with the wiper arm. Once aligned, simply slide the new wiper blade onto the wiper arm until you hear or feel it click into place. Make sure it's properly seated. Finally, gently lower the wiper arm back down to the rear window. And we are done. Timely replacement of your wiper blade ensures clear visibility and safe driving in any weather conditions. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to WeStand for more helpful automotive guides. See you next time.